install this rear seat today. But before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That way you guys continue to be able to stay tuned in. Let's get Sally ready, but first we're going to take off this cover off real quick.
Hey, Strong.
Always make sure you get everything you need in the box, especially when you're ordering things off the internet. First, you're going to use an Allen key to remove all the bolts on the rear fender. I had a hard time removing these at first, but eventually they did come off. And then next, we're going to install the two brackets to the fender. One in the back, one in the front. Next, we're going to make sure we go ahead and grab our key. This is going to give you access to the seat. At this point, you want to go ahead and grab a socket wrench to remove the bolt on the bolt. Get it?
Seat's actually just gonna pop right off. Once we pop the seat off, that'll actually give us access to put in these two screws that go into the rear seat.
This is what's gonna hold it in place. Lastly, put your seat back in place, and you're all done. Now wait, some of you guys are wondering, yo, what happened to the rear pegs? Well, stay tuned for the next video, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and once again, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next how-to video.
Hey, Strong.